Hi everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Convection. I'm Lynn Becker for Tiffin Motorhomes. Today we are cooking in the 2020 model of the Wayfarer 25RW. It's a C-Class vehicle, which is smaller than the A-Class Allegro bus we've been working in, but still there is plenty of room to cook anything that you want while you're on vacation. Today we're making roasted Bratwurst sausages and potatoes, and this is how we begin. Potatoes are the first part of this recipe, and I've already got most of my potatoes cut up. I have about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds. My husband is a huge potato fan, so he always likes a little extra versus not enough. So what I'm doing is I've peeled them and I'm cutting them into bite-sized chunks, and I'm going to put them on a sheet pan. Look at all the storage space I've got in this. It's amazing. We want to coat our pan with a little bit of cooking spray. Do not want those potatoes to stick. I like this shelf too. Great for hidden storage. So potatoes onto the pan. Oh, and I wanted to show you a little secret about this model that I really love. The trash receptacle is this hidden little spot right here. So you can just dump all your excess right in there. No fuss, no muss. I love that. Okay, our potatoes are on the pan. I'm going to give them a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, one of my very favorite ingredients to use. In fact, I use it in a lot of recipes. I'm going to hit these potatoes with a good sprinkle of kosher salt, and I'm using a fresh herb, fresh rosemary. I love the way it smells, and it lends itself to so many different recipes. I think you're really going to enjoy using this kind of herb. And trust me, take the leap and use the fresh herbs instead of dried. It really makes a huge difference in the flavor. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of rosemary on the top. Give everything a really good toss so you get even coating of the olive oil. And then they're going to go into the oven. Let me say that this cooking time is a 2-part process. What you want to do is put this pan in with just the potatoes at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Then you're going to take them out and flip them. Now I already have one pan in the oven. I hope you can see how they're just starting to turn a little bit brown. Now what you want to do is go ahead and take your spatula and flip the potatoes. That's going to give you even brown coating on all sides. And at this point, I'm going to add our bratwurst to the pan. The bratwurst really only need about 20 minutes of cooking time, so they do not need to be in there for the entire process. Back into the oven. We're going to go convection, 400, and that's going to take about another 20 minutes. I've got a plate ready. Does that look delicious or what? The potatoes are perfectly brown, almost crispy. I immediately taste the rosemary and the kosher salt. So good. This is going to make an excellent dinner for you and your family while you're on vacation. We'll see you on the next version of Cooking with Convection.